Yeah, there's lots of them in the golf course. Lots of it. What size is it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That's big.
What if it goes to golf ball size?
Those are definitely golf ball size and bigger.
No, what if it goes to baseball?
Then that's huge.
What if it goes to bowling ball?
That would be good.
I said, what if it goes to bowling ball? Oh, that would be yummy. Oh my gosh, the golf course is turning white.
Crazy, huh?
It's a good thing our roof kind of goes over the windows a little bit, so the that table's ruined. So the hail doesn't hit our windows very much. Are you getting a picture?
I'm videoing it.
Oh. Oh, okay.
No. One video's fine. One video's fine. Emery, no.
No, I'm just gonna take a picture of it. I want some pictures of my DS.
Well,
He's gonna take a picture of the hail with his DS. Piggy, make me feel safe. The golf course is turning white.
yeah, it is.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's flooding one side.